Hello everyone, this is Tayyaba Farhat and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Zoom for meetings and online classes. Due to the lockdown, all classes are being held online and most of the people are using Skype or Zoom for the meetings or the classes. But as per my experience, Skype is not very convenient. It only allows you to add 40 to 45 people in the call or in the meeting. But what if you have more than 40 students? And the other problem with Skype is that you don't have control over your participants. So the Zoom is the solution. Zoom allow you as many as people you want to add in one meeting, and as a host you can have complete control over your participants. You can mute your participants, you can stop their cameras, you can stop them using the whiteboard. So Zoom is very convenient. Only one thing the Zoom have as a negative aspect is the duration of the call is only 40 minutes if you are using the free version. So if you have the paid version, you can have an unlimited meeting call as well. So let's begin with. You can see this home page for the Zoom. So here you can see multiple options. You can join a meeting, you can create a new meeting, you can schedule a meeting, or you can start share your screen. So if you want to schedule a meeting, you can go to the schedule and you can provide here your essential for the meeting. Let's suppose if you have a meeting on Monday, so you can choose your day, time, duration, everything you can pass here. Okay, you can create a meeting ID as well. You can create a password. You can be a host. You can allow participants to switch on their videos. You can add a computer audio, or you can allow both of them. So this is the all option you will see when you want to schedule a meeting. If you want to instantly start a meeting, just click on the new meeting button and a meeting would be started. So here in this page you can see multiple options regarding a participant. If you want to switch on your camera or if you want to switch off your camera. If you want to stop your camera, just click on the stop video option, and if you want to mute your mic, you can click on the mute button as well. So now we are going to learn about adding participants. uh, Click on the invite button, and here you can see all your participants. If you have some meetings before, you can see all the participants from your previous meetings. So if you want to invite new people into your meeting, just copy the URL, or you can copy the complete invitation as well. URL also um, invite your participants to the particular meeting. So this is a easy way. Just copy the URL and send it via email, or if you are using a WhatsApp group, just send this URL in your WhatsApp group for the participants. So from here you can use a URL, you can copy invitation, and you can paste it in the group or in the email. So you can invite people through the email as well. So these are the multiple ways from where you can invite multiple people. So if you want to manage your participants, just click on the manage participants button, and here you can see all the participants which are in your meeting. If you want to mute all, you can click on the mute all button, and you can see this prompt where you are allowing your participants to unmute them if they want to. If you want to restrict the mics of your participants or your student, just uncheck this box and click yes. Okay, there are many other options you can see. So this is the time where you can create your meetings with your students. So that's all for today's session. If you want to end your meeting, just click on the end meeting button, and click on the end meeting for all if you are the host of the meeting.
So that's all for today. I hope you like the video, and if you want to watch upcoming videos, then like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Bye bye.